Hey, what's up, y'all? Hey, thank y'all. This is Travis, and thank y'all for supporting my kids' education channel. I appreciate that. Really, really appreciate that. Thank y'all for the likes and showing support though. And what we got like a lot of content. I got a lot of content on it. Uh, how to help your kids read. I got a one for special needs. If anybody got kids that special needs and need help, click on it, and your kids would enjoy it. And they got like good information on it that can help your kids learn about special needs, and you can help your kids too. They got special needs because it's a big deal. A lot of people ain't talking about it. It's a really big deal. People is not talking about stuff like that, and how your kids can play sports and stuff like basketball. Uh, how your kids can play together. When it's time for you to know when your kids can use the bathroom. I got a lot of stuff on there, and I gonna do more videos about that too, about how to help your kids uh, get better education, how to help the school education system, all that. And plus, I got in the description, uh, your kids can learn how to read books, camping. I just did one for that about 20 minutes ago. Take your kids out to camping, and they can learn more about outside and having a good time. This this about love. It's about kids gonna help this planet for real. If it wasn't for the kids, who gonna help the next generation? Our kids gonna help the next generation. So y'all y'all like for that. Just for that. The like is free, and y'all subscribe, like, comment, hit all, and the notification bell. When you hit the notification bell, hit all. So I appreciate that, and y'all show love for my kids' education YouTube channel. All right, peace out, and got a lot of content. All right, bye bye, much love.